have really busy mornings and it was just taking too long to make coffee, so I really needed to find a good instant coffee, and that's when I found Waka instant coffee. This stuff is such a game changer. It's made from the same coffee beans that you get at a coffee shop, so it tastes so good. I love how easy it is to make too. All I have to do is put 1 pouch in my cup, and I'm using hot water, and then I stir it and it's done. I can make it hot or iced. I can put milk in it. It has such a rich, bold aroma to it, and it tastes really good. It's not super bitter, but it has that really bold flavor, so it doesn't taste watered down. It's great because they don't use those plastic cups that are really bad for the environment, and that means that you don't have to put hot water through plastic. Definitely switch to this brand because it is so good and easy. This is a brand you definitely want to support if you believe in keeping the environment clean while also getting the best tasting instant coffee. So go and get your own Waka instant coffee today.